at Tim Hortons to get hockey packs, right?
Yep.
Can't wait. People are gonna think we're crazy at Tim Hortons, though.
We're YouTubers.
Yeah. Got my cards right here. Pretty cool. I'm looking for a clear cut Connor McDavid. I got a clear cut Zach Werenski.
I traded him at. I pulled both clear cuts. My clear cut right here.
I traded him back to Nikolai Ehlers for the clear cut Zach Werenski.
I pulled both of them.
I'm looking for a Crosby sign card, which is impossible, basically, or a Crosby, or a McDavid clear cut. See you guys in a second. Okay, let me see yours. Look at this. Boom. There's the top.
Look at the back,
middle.
guys. Look at the back of the binder.
Yeah, we're using last year's. We're not buying binders. Frick, they're $15. Just use the same one after every single year.
Guys, there's going to be a
new team on the next one, which is Vegas, even though they don't have any Vegas cards.
right there, guys.
Yeah.
Right at the bottom.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you my second page of my binder.
Okay, so 1 second. So there's my top 100 cards. Then we got the Crosby in this. I've only opened up 3 packs off camera. Only 3 packs.
Okay, guys, there's my second page. Can you zoom in?
1 sec. You can't zoom in this mode. So that, and that. And then 1 Charlie Coyle at the top. We're going to have a 4-pack opening
guys,
for both of us.
This is mine. This is my second page. And show them a few of the third page.
Yeah, he only has 3 on the third page. So me and Connor on Thursday are going to open up 4 packs each. 4 packs. I'm doing a pack battle with Anderson Vlogs. Yeah.
You already got like 50 packs this year.
Yeah. Who's spending money on the Tim Hortons stuff so you get this? Well, I mean, I hate this. I hate this. I hate the rain. Just look. Look at it.
It looks like it's not raining, but it actually is.
It actually is raining. You can tell by the raindrops. Well, actually, you can't see raindrops. On this window, you can.
Okay, you're gonna put it back there. So, on our way to Tim Hortons.
We'll be there in like 2 minutes. See you. We're pulling up to Tim Hortons right now.
Basically,
We're gonna be there in like 50 seconds. So we'll see you guys in 50 seconds, even though to you it will be 2 seconds. See? You can see the cards in the back, so I'm gonna record my reaction right on it.
yeah.
We'll be back in a sec. So yeah, it would look like that. This, I think I like this better. Or maybe.
I think somebody tried to look in it.
Hey, come on. Look. And then I can just switch it back over here. Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, back to the thing. Okay, so.
Packs. Packs. Right here. We're not lying.
I'm gonna open up mine first. Excited.
Who'd you get that?
Nikolai Ehlers, not clear cut though.
Game day action, Johnny Gaudreau.
John Tavares and game day action Johnny Gaudreau. I already have one, so I'm trading Connor and then Nikolai Ehlers.
On the trading block.
Okay.
My turn.
So whatever rare card you get, unless it's a clear cut, you're trading me for it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Steven Stamkos at the back.
Okay.
Not clear cut.
Of course it's not, because they have the...
Aaron Ekblad, top 100.
Jeremy Jagr. So...
Jeremy Jagr.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.
So...